Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today is day 9 of our W3 School Python series. So let's get started. Open your Google and type W3 School Python. Now click on Python tutorial W3 Schools. Now you get this page. In previous videos, we already seen Python introduction, how to install Python, what is Python syntax, comments, variables. Now click on Python variables. In Python variables, we already seen variable names, assign multiple values, outside variables concepts. In today's video, we'll see global variables concept. So click on global variables. Now coming to global variables, what are global variables? Variables that are created outside of a function are called as global variables. Global variables can be used by everyone, both inside of functions and outside. We will see the concept of functions in further videos. So now in this video we are discussing what are global variables, how to create them, how to use them. So we will see this example. Create a variable outside of a function and use it inside the function. So now we will see this example. X equal to awesome. Here X is variable and we are creating outside of the function, and we are assigning a string value awesome to this variable X. Now we are defining a function. DEF means defining a function, and this my function is the name of the function. And later on in that function we are printing Python is plus X. We already seen in the previous video how to combine a text and a string. We are combining here Python is a text and we are combining that text with the variable. And later on we are calling that function and we are printing the value Python is awesome. You will see practically now. Now click on try it yourself. Now click on run. See, we are getting Python is awesome. Here X is created outside the function globally and we are using that variable inside this function. So this is the use of creating global variables outside of the function. We can use inside the function as well as the outside the function. And if you create a variable with the same name inside a function, this variable will be local and can only be used inside the function. The global variable with the same name will remain as it was, global and with the original value. We'll see this example. Create a value inside a function with the same name as the global variable. Now, here x equal to awesome. We are creating x variable globally and assigning awesome as a string value. And after that, we are creating a function. So, def defining a function, and this is the function name, my function. After that, we are creating a variable x locally. So, x equal to fantastic, and we are printing Python is with plus variable. We are combining a text and the variable. So Python is plus x, and after that we are calling that function, and later on we are printing Python is plus x. Now we will see this example practically. Now click on try it yourself. Click on run. Here this x is a global variable and this x is local variable. See, we are getting Python is fantastic, Python is awesome. So we can create local variables with the same name as the global variable, but the scope of the local variables is only inside the function. Now we will see the concept of global keyword. Normally, when we create a variable inside a function, that is called as local variable and can only be used inside that function. Now we will see the concept of global keyword. To create a global variable inside a function, we can use the global keyword. We will see this example. Now, if we use the global keyword inside the variable belongs to the global scope. Now, defining a function, and this is the function name, my function, and in that we are creating a variable with the keyword global, global x, x equal to fantastic, and we are assigning a value fantastic to this variable, and after that we are calling this function, and print Python is plus x. We are combining a text Python is and with the variable x. Now we will see this practically. So click on try it yourself. Now click on run. Now we are getting output as Python is fantastic. Here x is the local variable, but we are using global keyword so that we can use this x variable outside the function also. In this way we can use the global keyword. Now also we can use the global keyword if you want to change a global variable inside a function. Now we will see this example. To change the value of a global variable inside a function, refer to a variable by using the global keyword. Now x equal to awesome. We are creating this variable outside the function, so it is global, and assigning awesome as a value to this variable x. Now we are defining a function def. This is the function name, and later this is the global keyword beside x, and x equal to fantastic. And this is we are calling the function, and later on we are printing Python is plus x. We are combining text with string, text with variable. We will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself and click on run. See, we are getting Python is fantastic. Here this x is global variable, and inside also we are creating a variable x. This is local variable, but we are converting that local variable to global by using global keyword. And now what is the concept we are seeing is we can change the value of this variable. So outside of the variable we have given awesome, but inside of the function we have changed that value to fantastic. Means by using this global keyword we can also change the value of the variable. So that's why we are getting Python is fantastic, but we are not getting awesome. So we are changing the value of that variable by using this global keyword. We are changing that value of the variable globally. So we are getting fantastic as the answer. This is the concept of global variables. I hope everyone clear with this concept. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Now we will see variable exercises. So click on that. Now these are the exercises we will do now. Create a variable name, car name, and assign the value Volvo to it. So I am creating a variable with the name, car name, and I am entering Volvo as the value. Now click on submit answer. The answer is correct. In this way we can create the variables. Now we have seen Python variables. This concept is completed. In the next tutorial we will see Python data types. We will see this concept in the later sessions. After that we will see numbers, casting, strings, booleans, operators, lists, tuples one by one. We will see all these concepts. I hope everyone liking my videos and these videos are useful to everyone. If you are liking my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding.